Hello and welcome to Grade A Tools. Today we're going to be showing you how to check your EV protective gear, focusing on our gloves today. We're going to be using our Grade A Tools glove roller tester to check the inner gloves of our EV protective gear. On our exterior gloves or our outer gloves, we're going to want to test those for rips, tears, or cracks, looking for anything that will allow electricity to get into our inner insulated gloves. When checking our insulated gloves, the first thing that we want to do is we want to look again for rips, tears, cracks, or even delamination prior to testing them with our glove roller tester. Now we're going to show you how to do this with our glove roller tester. Simply take the gloves off, roll your gloves up, and what we're listening for are air leaks. Any air leaks that can be hurt or anything like that will allow electricity to penetrate the glove and cause electrical shock. Gloves come with an in-service date. In-service date should be put on the gloves by your facility prior to putting it in service. Once an in-service date has been put on this glove, it's only good for 6 months. At that time, the glove either needs to be recertified or replaced as per requirement. You can visit Grade A Tools to get your glove roller tester and or your gloves for Ford, Tesla, or other programs, and we thank you for your business. Have a great day.